Step inside with caution because this house is not just built, it's crafted. What you're going to see is taking luxury to the next level. When you walk in, you actually see the light color palette that just makes the entire home look so massive, spacious, and just gives it a very welcoming vibe. Well, they always say that houses like these are built with precision, passion, and pure joy. Well, as you walk in, you also see how beautifully the entire house flows. So the lobby area seamlessly flows into the living area. Walk into the living area and just watch the glasses, metals, various textures on the wall come together to bring to you the ultimate in design. Well, we start with the first wall, which has wallpaper on it, and then when you look around, you see these huge glass doors that are here, high ceilings. Then you have these sparkling chandeliers that add such a beauty to this entire room. Now the living area also has a lot of mix. You have wooden paneling here, you have these lights here, and then of course you have Italian marble with metal inlays. This is always my favorite. Now the color combinations are also exquisite. This was the living area. We are walking now into the dining area, seamlessly flowing into this area, which is perfect for those intimate lunches, breakfasts, to the huge festive gatherings. A big area that's available to you. Again, the color combination changes here. It changes to the wooden paneling, and then you have this metallic paneling going around the entire area. I love curves, I love straight lines, but I love it when it's put together and designed in a way that gives you the maximum aesthetic beauty. Let's go into other areas. There are two sliders in this area. As I open this second sliding door, it once again takes you back into this massive lobby area. Again, you can see a sparkling chandelier right here, hanging right there, giving it just the most perfect vibe, the vibe of luxury. But when we're in the lobby area, we also move straight down to the powder area. They say luxury is in things that you don't show off, but they are there. From the lobby, we walk into the powder room. Now, this is an area where your guests are going to enter in, expecting utility. But what they're going to get is absolutely a stunning boutique experience. Walk in here. This is all about how design can transform small spaces into absolute showstoppers. Well, look at these beautiful mirrors. Then you have lampshades, accents, Italian marbles, everything just makes the space stand out and makes it even more spectacular. What it truly gives is a memorable experience. Straight into a place that I say is the heart of the home. This is the kitchen, and if you call it heart, then this beats of style, space, and absolute soul. Well, it's time for us to walk into this. Oh, by the way, did I tell you that the entire house does not have any split ACs? It has ductable ACs, and the kitchen is also air conditioned. As you walk in, you can see these premium cabinets that have been designed. The kitchen has premium cabinets. These are brown glass with brushed gold profiling, which looks absolutely stunning, along with wood cabinets that have been designed right here. I love this. Just look at the kind of space that you have. Once again, only premium appliances have been used. These are top of the line appliances from Hafele. You can see the built-in microwave, the built-in OTG. It's already there for you to use. You have an island area. You can put seats around here, and you can actually convert it into a breakfast area where you can chat, talk, and have a good time. Not only this, you can also see the hob and chimney. Both are from Hafele, and dishwasher is pre-installed for you, which is back there in the utility area where you can actually do all your dishwashing, etc. So the kitchen stays absolutely clean, pristine for your guests to come and see everything, while all of the cooking, the real stuff, can be done in the back utility area. So nothing is visible to anybody. Now, when you look around here, see, there's another huge space. There are a lot of cabinets here for you to store all of your essential items, and this is the space for two double door refrigerators. Not one, but two double door refrigerators can actually be placed right here. Now talk about having everything for your family and stocking up things for your parties and family gatherings. This is the perfect kitchen for your family. A phenomenal space planning is pretty evident here, as you see that in this floor, you have not just 4 but 5 bedrooms, out of which 2 bedrooms are actually the master bedroom. Well, when you look at it, this is the space that you can call your own room because it has ample lighting. Every wall, every corner has been designed in a way to tell a story. I want to ask you a question. Would you like to live here? Because honestly, I would never want to leave. Now, when you take a look, your entire master bedroom is ready for you to move in. You can see this amazing Italian marble that has been placed right here. This is the area where you can put your television, your speaker system, your book, a little space to keep all your stuff down here. This has all been done up. When you look out of the glass window, you can actually see the entire green out there. So a special green area has been created outside every room. So it feels even more spacious, breathable, and just perfect. Now just look at the back wall. This is the bed back wall. Recessed lights on the ceilings, and then these absolutely stunning, stylish bedside lamps have already been installed for you. All you need to do is put in your furnishings and your furniture, and you're ready to live here. I want to show you something that is going to blow your mind. Walking into the ensuite bathroom actually is a luxe feeling because first you need to cross your closet area. Now these closets have been designed immaculately. Now just look at the design, aesthetic sense. It's forever, it's elegant, and it's never going to go out of fashion. A small dressing room has been created here for you to place all of your makeup, get ready. The lighting is perfect, and these are the kind of spaces any Instagram influencer would die for. But this is being given to you, and this is where you're going to live for the rest of your life. So you can click, shoot, and do everything else. As we walk into the ensuite washroom, it is basically not a washroom. It's your very own spa with your own name on it. So walk in here, you have a his and her. Again, very simple, easy to use. A lot of storage space right here. Just look at it. We've also designed a few accessories for you right here. And look at the shower cabin. This comes with body jets, a very spectacular shower, all of it in brushed gold to give you that very high-end, high-class feeling. Now once again, the WC is automated, which means it is a sensor WC. It is top in class. It's one of the best companies, which is Kohler, that has been used all across the entire floor. Come on, this is just the first bedroom. Let me surprise you, shock you, and make you. Let me surprise you and shock you because we have 4 more rooms to show you. Come on. The second master bedroom awaits you. Now just walk in here. We've tried to give a different color palette in every bedroom so that it kind of enhances the feel, the vibe, and brings about a little different style to every room. Now this one primarily is again light colors, wood. You have very light gray. Again, a running green space outside your bedroom. It is huge glass window right here for ample sunlight coming in. Again, lights that are very, very soft and just make you feel so comfortable, at ease, calm you down, and give you a lot of. Now, what is going to really excite you in this is not just the walk-in closet, but also the ensuite bathroom. This is like you're in Dubai or one of those Arab countries because the ensuite washroom, oh my God, it's phenomenal. Now just walk in here, your private dressing area right here, all of the closets, again, gray. That is my favorite color. I just love it. I don't know why, it just makes me feel very peaceful. And as we walk in, welcome ladies and gentlemen to your ensuite bathroom. Now this is a luxurious resort style washroom that is here. You have your own tub. This can only happen with Vikas Builder. We believe in giving you the ultimate luxury right here, and you can see your very own chandelier, very vintage, very stylish. And then there is an open space that has been created behind with green, so you feel you're like one with nature. You don't feel like it's closed or claustrophobic. Again, you have the best fittings from Kohler. Your shower area, which is a cabin. Again, you have rain shower panels everywhere. Now you have inbuilt LED light mirrors everywhere. These are all touch screen, so this is amazing. I love it. I have it at my home, and I always do my makeup in front of one of these mirrors because they're just so easy and they have just the perfect light. Every area in this house is so Instagrammable, something that influencers would die to have. But imagine everything like this just comes with the house. Let's go into the next room. This house gives you a feeling like I'm in a mansion of sorts, huh? This is the third bedroom. Just look at the ceiling. A beautiful mix of wood, LED lights, then you have magnetic lights. Again, right there, look at the back of the bed right here. It's textured in various ways. So there is textured cloth, there's wood, there is metal paneling, and of course there are lights for all of you. Once again, a running balcony feel outside. It's all green, very spacious outside for you. Designer fans have been used, and this one comes with a very special wooden finish. Walking into the ensuite washroom, and look at the storage space. It's massive. It's just massive. This is a perfect place to show off all those expensive bags and shoes for yourself. Now walking in again, I love the creams, the golds. I've always been a fan. These colors never go out of fashion. They never kind of, irritate you after a while, or you feel it's just looking too much. No, it's not overpowering. It's very subtle. It's easy on the eyes, and these colors are forever and ever. Once again, automated WC has been used. A beautiful cabin for shower has been created. Kohler has been used, and body jets have been given in this washroom as well. Now you have a gorgeously designed mirror for your makeup essentials. This is just such a perfect mirror for your makeup, isn't it? And I love the lighting. It's just so soft. It's so easy. So let's go into the next two rooms. Are you ready to be blown away? This is the fourth bedroom. And you know what? I apologize. I've given some wrong information to you. I thought there were two master bedrooms, but I was absolutely wrong. Every room in this floor is a master bedroom. Walk in here and just look at this beautiful molding. It looks like art on wall. Now this happens when you don't create a house, you create an experience for the person who's living in the house. Isn't this marvelous? This is gold. This is absolute gold. Look at the back of the bed. Perfect. And look at that designer wall light that's hanging for you. Half a chandelier. I love how this round pillar is here, and it just adds so much aesthetic sense to the entire room. Once again, big glass windows are here. Ample light is coming in. The elevation looks perfect from inside, and the planters have been put in place for you. So I think this is just like walking into the most perfect house that you can ever imagine. Now come in. As I said, I'm sorry because every room is a master bedroom. Look at that. This is your walk-in closet. Now look at the color. I love this emerald green with wood and metal, which is gold again. Brilliant. And the perfect dressing area for you. Now you can sit here, get ready, and go for those fabulous gatherings that you want to. Ensuite washroom that is ready to amaze you as it did to me. Again, there is a separate his and her. Many usually itne floors dekhe nahi hai. I've never seen floors where you have 2-3 washrooms that have his and her, that have such huge cabins for shower. But this one, it amazes me. So his and her, designer mirrors with metal profiling. You have Italian marble on the back, on the floor, everywhere. Then you have cabinets. Again, these are designer cabinets. Just look at them. Look at the attention to the detail. And there is so much storage space right here for you. Just perfect. A huge shower cabin. Again, there's a rain shower, there's a shower area, and you have your WC right here. Once again, there's slight open area behind this. You can decorate it. You can put your planters there just to add a little more green to your room. But we are not done yet. We have one more room to go. Guys, I want to buy this house. I want to shift in it. I don't know how, but let's hope for it. This is the fifth room, but I'm not done yet. I want to show you because the interiors are exquisite. Now just look at that. Look at the way the lights have been placed in the wall. Isn't this spectacular? I love it. And just look at that, white, and then it flows into the wood, and this flows into this beautifully crafted back wall. I love it. There is gold, there's gray, there's wood, everything that I love. Designer fan up there. I haven't seen a fan like that. Once again, a big glass window, and you have a running balcony out there. There's light coming in. Have you noticed that every room has ample sunlight coming into it? This house is not facing, by the way, on a 12-meter road, so this is what you expect. But you know what? It's the designing that truly makes the difference. Again, closets. Instagrammable completely, ready for you to put in all of your stuff. There it is, ready. Come on, let's go into the washroom. Now, as I said earlier, it's designing that can turn every place into a masterpiece, into a showstopper. So this is what this washroom is. It's slightly small in space, but just look at the way it's been designed. Italian marble everywhere. You have storage space, designer mirrors, a huge shower cabin, rain shower has been given, WC is installed. Now, this is quite a bit for the fifth bedroom, but we are not done yet. We still have something very special. So let's go into the place where we have the heart of the house, which is the mandir room. Come on. मैं तो हिंदू हूँ, so I'm going to consider it as a mandir room. But मंदिर में जाने से पहले we have to take off our shoes. So here we are, ready to enter into a divine space. Now this has been already pre-designed for you. I love the colors, the lighting. Just look at the backdrop. Just look at that. That's a shimmery wallpaper that has already been installed. There's little bit of work that has already been done. A marble cabinet is already here for you. Again, a perfect room to come to every morning and take the blessings of God Almighty. I think this is going to be a space of peace, calm and divinity. A long balcony is attached with the living area. Now this is beautiful and it runs all the way to the end of the plot, which is right there. So if you actually go and see it, take a look. A terrace is like a blessing in disguise. It's like an additional floor to any builder area. Well, this is a space that you can call your own. Host the best parties, kids parties and so much more that you can do. This terrace comes loaded with its own kitchen, a washroom and of course a lounge area that you can turn into your party pad as well. The landscaping is already done. The greens and the greys just put together the most scenic view for you and for your guests. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough with Vikas Builders. We have many more such properties available in Delhi and Gurgaon. If you haven't yet, make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more such videos and follow us on Instagram to stay connected. If you would like to visit any of our sites, the number is mentioned right here. Please contact us and we'll help you find the perfect home for you. And we are going to see you very soon in our next walkthrough. This is Sonali Gupta Verma signing off.